pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of
Madeira cake, adapted from Bake with Maw Broon. For this you will need 375 grams of self-raising flour, 325 grams of unsalted butter, 325 grams of caster superfine sugar, 5 eggs, 45 ml of milk or fruit juice, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. First, beat the eggs. Now cream the butter, softened butter. And the sugar together. Remember to scrape down the sides. Now add all the ingredients to a large mixing bowl and mix until smooth and glossy. First, the sugar and butter. And the egg. The milk. And the vanilla. Empty the mixture into a greased and lined 8-inch baking tin. Smooth over the top. Now I'm using a baking belt to stop the outside cooking too fast. The recipe says that you should wrap 2 layers of newspaper around it and tie it with string. I think a better idea would be to use a damp cloth wrapped in tin foil and tie it around if you haven't got a baking belt. Bake for an hour and a half at gas mark 3, 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 160 degrees Celsius conventional oven, 140 degrees Celsius fan convection oven. That's the finished cake. I'm not going to do the taste test yet because I'm going to ice it.